Mission barbecue. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. Alright, got Louis Stunts, Dirt Bike Tricks, and Hector on 3 Honey. 3 Honey. You just broke my handlebars. Jesus. Calm down, Louis. Alright. We're gonna go ride. I don't know what we're doing. That's a big ass truck. I always wonder if big truck dudes like that have little dicks. Quack. Whoa. Damn, Hector. Look at that duck. What up, duck? Quack. Alright. So today, I don't know, we're just doing things. A little adventure time. Come on, Hector, hit that shit. How many feet? Like up here? I was above the sun? Do you see me let go and hold on? I did a Superman. I went like this. Your camera probably didn't get it. It's a cheap one.
See how far you can lay in your back tire.
Okay. What? No. That's it. Nap, 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 nap. What the hell? Oh, my bell. Don't kick my bell. It's my bell. Oh, my hat. What's happening here? You see that jump? That was too high. That's why the bell couldn't hang. Dirt Bike Tricks week. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to another video. Hopefully you guys enjoy. We are doing some shenanigans on our little motorcycles here.
You were like,
yeah. Get more air. These front forks are done, man. Look at them. Uh-oh. Louis Stunts. And Louis! Jump over me! Nice. Cool little bump. Send it! What the? My hat keeps falling off. Come on, man. Bald life. Louis, heel clicker. Over the handlebars, click. Team Snap, where you at? Okay. Alright, let's go. Ooh, but first, quack quack, motherfucker. Oh, I gotta remind you guys, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. If you're not, make sure you like. There we go. Whoa. Oh, the old stunt lot. Tuck this guy in. Safety first. Damn, Louis. Fucking hat. Keeps falling out. This is the one time I've worn my hat. I just need to go back to bald life. That's what I was trying to do. Damn. Fucking guy. Oh, Lewis, getting up in the lake. Where'd the security guard go? Hey, launch it off that ramp. Yeah. Lewis, you don't actually do it. You pretend to do it. He kill switched me. What the fucking asshole? Payback's a bitch. Nice. This is the old stunt lot back in the day. So many stunt lots have gotten killed. It's unfortunate, but it kind of happens. You bring too many people around, draws bad attention. It's not bad when there's like 4 of us. Just do a quickie, then dipset. But when you got a whole squad of hooligans, shit goes bonkers, you know? You feel me, right? Let's try a seat stander. Actually, let me try. I'm gonna try a foot peg thingamajiggy where you put your, I got the sub cage with a thing for my foot. I need, put my knee on the seat, whenever the seat's near. Sure. Oh, that's different. Oh, I'm going this way. That's weird. 200 feet! I'm gonna try a seat stander. I've never tried it before.
Oh, yeah?
Seat stander. Never done it before.
Is it that hard?
It's not that hard? I look like I'm taking a poopy. It's so weird. Hurts my legs. It's a little man game. It's like high chairs. How do you do seat standers? Like, how do you do them?
Standing?
I know, but like squatting down.
Don't squat down, just stand straight up.
Well, then like you're like this.
Yeah, you're like this the whole time.
That's how you have to be? Huh.
Yeah, it's awkward, but once you get used to it, it's easy.
Yeah. That's not comfortable. How is that more comfortable? So stupid. Ow. Fucking leg day. Shouldn't have skipped it. Bye. See ya. Alright. We're done. We're not over yet, boys. Hold on. You want to hit the jump? Oh, shit. I really need to change my gear or shift a second.